Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today we have two drones for kids that are perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Let's dive into the features and see which one comes out on top. Our first contender is the Q9s drones for kids. Priced at just $49, this drone offers some exciting features. The Q9s drone comes with bright LED lights in neon green and blue, providing a vibrant and illuminating flight experience. Plus, it has 3 different display modes for lighting, giving you even more options to enjoy. Safety is a top priority with this drone, as it features a structured style and 4 sturdy propeller guards. This ensures a secure flight and protects your kids from any potential injuries. Made with high-quality ABS material, the Q9s drone is built to withstand countless crashes and drops, making it a durable and reliable option for kids and beginners. It's extremely user-friendly with features like one-button takeoff, landing, and return. Additionally, it offers 3 different speeds, making it suitable for both beginners and skilled players. The Headless mode eliminates the worry of identifying directions, and the altitude hold feature allows the drone to hover automatically in the air. With the Q9s drone, you'll get double the flight time thanks to the inclusion of 2 batteries. This means more fun and longer flights for your kids. Lastly, this drone offers multiple operating tricks, including 360-degree flips and auto-rotation functions, adding an extra element of excitement to your flying experience. Our second contender is the RADCLO mini drone with camera. Priced at $65, this drone brings some impressive features to the table. One of the standout features is the 1080p HD 90 degrees manually adjustable lens, which provides a wider field of view and allows you to capture breathtaking moments from a bird's-eye perspective. You can also enjoy the HD pictures and videos via the RADCLO FPV app, which offers real-time panoramic views. The RADCLO drone is equipped with stable altitude hold function, making it easy to control and shoot high-quality footage. It also has a powerful engine and stable hover technology for a more stable flight experience. With a larger body size, this drone comes with a carrying case for convenient outdoor travel. It includes 2 800 mAh batteries, providing a flight time of up to 22 minutes. Additionally, the package comes with controller batteries, propeller guards, and spare fan blades, making it a complete set. The RADCLO mini drone offers multiple functions to fit your needs, including high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, headless mode, one-key takeoff and landing, 3D flips, low battery warning, and emergency stop. Whether you're a beginner or a skilled player, this drone has something for everyone. Finally, RADCLO offers excellent after-sales support with 24-hour technical assistance, quality warranty, and money-back service. They prioritize customer satisfaction, ensuring you have a smooth flying experience. And there you have it. Both the Q9s drones for kids and the RADCLO mini drone with camera have their unique features and advantages. Ultimately, the choice between the two will depend on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a smart buying decision. Remember to subscribe to our channel Buy Smart for more product comparisons and reviews. Leave a comment below and let us know which products you'd like us to compare next. Until next time, happy flying.